What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Solana, guys. We come back down to our buy zone. Currently, we're sitting at 226. We're down about 6.2 on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 67.78 billion. 24-hour volume 2.68 billion. All right, let's hop straight into Solana. So we're gonna start here. Excuse me, on the 4-hour chart. So we came up. We hit the 1.272 at 258. We had a bearish divergence and we're seeing a correction, which is completely healthy and expected, guys. Right now we're coming back down to the previous all-time high, which is sitting at 216, which is our first buy zone. Now, if we were to lose that level of support, if Bitcoin goes through a harsher correction, do target the 0.786 on the Fibonacci, our second buy zone here, which is coming in at 188. We are trending towards oversold on the 4-hour. So we may bounce off 216 here. So we're going to jump into Solana here on the daily. So you can see how beautifully along we're moving here for Solana and why the Fibonacci is such a great tool. So we had our correction. We bounced. We came up to the 0.618. We saw a small correction down to the 0.382. We exploded up to our previous all-time high, corrected back down to the 0.786, found support along the 20 EMA, pumped up to the 1.272. Corrected down to the previous all-time high, find support on the 20 EMA, continuation. And what likely will happen is we'll come up to the 1.618, we'll come back down to the 1.414, the previous swing high at 258, and then we'll see our last impulsive wave here for Solana, bringing us up to about 500 here. I'm just going to move this down a little bit to about 500, which is our bull run targets here for Solana. So if I zoom out, I'm just going to open this up. So as you can see here with our Elliott wave theory from the beginning of our bull run, we had our impulsive wave 1, corrective wave 2, our largest wave 3, corrective wave 4, and our impulsive wave 5, bringing us up to our price target at the 2.618. Oh, this got moved down a little bit. Sorry guys, at the 2.272, coming in at about 506. And within each larger wave are 3 impulsive waves followed by 2 corrective waves. So you have impulsive wave 1. Let me open this up just so everything's more visible. Impulsive wave 1, corrective wave 2, impulsive wave 3, corrective wave 4. And our final wave taking us up to our target at 506. Now we may top out at the 2 extension, which is always a possibility, coming in at about 426. Do keep an eye on that price target. I do think the likely scenario is that we come up and we top out at about 506 here for Solana. So that's basically it. Just a quick little update for Sol. Do watch 216 if you're looking for a support zone to get into Solana. If you're dollar cost averaging, your next buy zone is down at 188, which also lines up with the 0.786. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Quick shout out to the Discord. We have over 1,000 members. We're posting chart patterns. We're talking all things crypto. Let me open up the chart channel here. It's the price of a coffee. You really can't beat it, guys. You can sign up to the Patreon and you can follow me on IG if you'd like to. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.